This conference will now be
Now I
recorded.
will start. Now I will start with another sensor. Okay. At first, today I will show you one or two sensors and the connections and the coding with that sensor. And using this coding and this sensor ideas, you can implement any other sensors. Tomorrow, at first step, I will tell you about the about thingspeak.com. Thingspeak.com is a cloud storage, and using that cloud storage, you can implement any IoT programming using the using the URL. URL means the link. Using that link, you can access your sensor from anywhere of the world that the sensor is working or not, and the values are increasing, decreasing, or the changes of the values using a graph. I will show you tomorrow about thingspeak.com. And to the tomorrow's second session or second half, I will tell you about some basic output criterias or output, how you will output, how you will show it using LCD screen, liquid crystal display, and LCD connection. In tinkercad.com, LCD connections are default. There are default connections, and I will show you about the connections and connectivities, how it will work. And next two classes, you have to implement, everyone have to implement some project, IoT related, IoT based projects. Okay, it can be home automation, it can be health monitoring system, it can be anything. You have to choose different projects for different groups, and in a group there should be minimum 4 and maximum 5 peoples. Minimum 4 and maximum 5 people. It 4 people group or 5 people group, it may for 4 or it may 5, but not exceeds 5, not less than 4. Okay, within 1 week or 2 to 3 4 days, you have to complete these projects. And the next two classes, after Sunday next, there will be two more classes. That means 4 sessions are there. In that sessions, if I will take your class or anyone will take your class, they will explain, me or he or she will explain you about your projects and how to implement that project. And I am requesting you, or I am suggesting you to use Node MCU, Node MCU for your project. Basically, Node MCU, I will show you Node MCU, how to implement Node MCU. These Node MCU projects and Node MCU is as same as Arduino, but there are some other features to exchanging data basically. And using Node MCU, you can exchange more data, or you can exchange some data very easily with using very easy programs. Okay, and for this Node MCU and to connect your URL, you have to put two things. That one is, first one is user ID or SSID, that is your internet connection. uh, it can be Wi-Fi, it can be mobile connection, but you have to put the SSID and the password of the Wi-Fi to implement this project. To implement or to prepare this project, you need internet connection. Basically, I think Shamim sir told you about IoT. IoT means Internet of Things, and Internet of Things means something using internet. Without internet connectivity, any IoT project is impossible. Okay, and using Arduino, I'm telling you this project using Tinkercad. For this Tinkercad, you are using this, or you are doing it in online. For this, you need internet connection. Otherwise, you can do it offline also. Only the Arduino programming, not IoT programming, not IoT projects. You can do any Arduino programming without internet. But if you want to implement that program to IoT, Internet of Things, then you need cloud storage, you need the graphical representation, you need the database, everything step by step. But basically in this short term, in this training, I will tell you about everything without database. Database connectivity and database storage is another thing, another issue. But I will show you how to implement any project and connect it with internet. After connecting it with internet, you can just start tinkering, sorry, start simulating the project, and you will get the output not only in the LCD but also in the serial monitor and your ThinkSpeak channel or cloud channel also. Understand everyone?
Sir.
Understand everyone? Okay. Now I will show you about gas sensor. Okay. Gas sensor is present in Tinkercad. I will show you the gas sensor. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, for the gas sensor program, you need to at first you need to search gas sensor. This is gas sensor. In Tinkercad, naturally gas sensor have 4 pins. Okay, gas sensor have 4 pins. There are several types of gas sensors are there. MQ2, MQ3, MQ5. These are the MQ series, and for this series, different types or different modules are used for different gases. Suppose you want to make a smoke detector, then you need to detect carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide gas, and the smoke. And for this, you have to buy MQ2 gas sensor. Otherwise, there are, if you search in internet, you will get the MQ series and which module number is used for which purpose, for which gas, for which gas detection. Okay, and here you will get this is there are three terminals, 6 terminals and or 6 pins. Naturally, gas sensor have 4 pins. First one is VCC, second one is ground, third one is A0, and the fourth one is D0. VCC and ground means VCC is power supply and ground means ground connection or 0 volt power supply. And A0 and D0 means A0 means analog and D0 means digital. Okay, next, when you want to start any project or when you want to start any uh, connection in Tinkercad, then you have to understand and you have to know the connectivity of gas sensor. And I am showing you the gas sensor connections.
Sir, I think you are muted.
Yes, I am just working with the connection. I didn't say anything. Please see, note how I will connect. This will be the connection, and I'm writing the code right now. See here, the smoke sensor is added in the analog pin, and the analog pin is A0, and I am declaring smoke sensor or smoke pin as a global variable. Int smoke is equal to A0. Then I am starting the code pin mode smoke comma input. Then serial dot begin. That means pin mode is smoke A0. A0 is the input. Okay. After putting A0 as a input, then I am putting pin mode smoke comma input serial dot begin 9600 baud rate, and then int value analog read and the printing. But the problem is the serial monitor shows only zero values, and the smoke sensor connections will be like this. I think I have to add one resistor. One register here to connect ground. Okay, start simulation and the coding. Yes, now it's working. Value is 246. Check the value for here 335. Here 243. Outside 116, and then 85. 85 is the least value. 90. 94. Understand everyone? Understand everyone? How smoke sensor is working? Okay. Basically, smoke sensor contains one heater, and when heat is greater, that means heating capacity is greater. That means there is more smoke. Okay. And for the calculations, you have to implement these values. See here, this is the higher smoke 352, 353. These are the maximum values showing. I think no greater values than 350 to 353, and the lesser value is see 85. 85 is the less value. Here also 85, here also 85, here also 85 for everywhere. And when you put the smoke towards the sensor, then the value is increasing 87, 93, 94, 107, 117, 118, 134, 136, 151. These are the changes. Understand everyone? Anyone have any problem regarding this? Anyone have any problem regarding this? Anyone have any problem? Please tell me.
স্যার রেজিস্ট্যান্স কত দিয়েছেন?
এটা 100 কে দেওয়া আছে। 1 kilowatt. You can change this resistance also using these values. Anyone have any doubt? Please tell me. Anyone have any doubt? Please tell me. Anyone? Okay, now implement one thing, everyone. For the gas values, as same as the previous temperature sensor, for three ranges. Decide everyone what will be these three ranges. For three ranges of the gases, if the gas is minimum, then or the no gas, then the value will be, or the LED will be green. Green LED will be on. If the value of the gas is or the gas density level is greater than some value, some threshold value, then the value will be, or the LED will be turned on as red. And another one will be, another condition will be there for red and buzzer for the danger. For the danger, to notify it is danger.
স্যার এটা কি আমাদের এখন করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ, এটা করবে।
স্যার একবার প্লিজ রিপিট করুন না, আমার আপনার ভয়েসটা ব্রেক হচ্ছিল তো শুনতে পারিনি।
দেখো, তিনটে কন্ডিশন ঠিক আগেরটার মতো, টেম্পারেচারের জন্য যেরকম করেছিলে ঠিক সেম ভাবে এটার জন্য করবে। Everyone, please do it and share your screen to show me. Soikot, please mute yourself. Please do it, everyone. Very easy process. Please connect and write down the code.
That done.
Everyone, please. Sorry.
So I have completed. Can I share it?
Yes, yes, of course.
Is it visible?
Yes, visible. Start simulation. I think red light is on every time.
Okay.
Check the code. Check the code and fix it. Stop sharing.
Hello, sir. Can you please explain again? Due to internet issue, I disconnected.
Sorry. Sorry, what is your question?
Sir, can you please explain again the code? Due to internet issue, I got disconnected.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the code. Smoke sensor is connected with the analog pin A0. For this reason, I have declared a variable globally smoke. Okay. For any big programming, when you use different kinds of sensors, then you have to declare the variable globally to understand the code which pin is used for which sensor. After that, pin mode smoke sensor pin number smoke sensor in smoke variable A0 is uh, assigned. For this reason, this is the input. Serial dot begin 9600 is the baud rate. After that, in void loop, just in value is equal to analog read. I'm getting the read or the input from the analog sensor, that is smoke sensor, from the analog pin A0. And at last line, serial dot println value, and I am printing the values. Start simulation, and you will get the output like this. When you move the smoke sensor, then you will get other values. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir. And what was the exercise you gave?
You have to implement one coding as same as the temperature sensor. You have to implement the coding. Three ranges will be there. For the first range, green will be on. For the second range, green LED will be on. For the second range, red LED will be on. For the third range, three so LED and the buzzer both are on. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, done. Can I show it?
Yes.
So is it right?
Checking. Please close the smoke to the sensor. Please close the smoke to the sensor. See, when green LED is turned on,
Yes, sir.
then when you go to the when smoke is near the sensor, then green, yellow, red, three LEDs are on. But I told you to do when green is on, then red is off. When green is on, then red is on, then green is off. But it's not
Okay,
happening here.
okay, sir. Means I have to take only two LED.
Sorry,
I have to take only two LED. One is green and one is red.
you can take yellow also, but at a time only one LED will be on
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
as the indicator. Okay.
So is it now correct?
Again, turn on the gas. Start simulation. Green is blinking. but red is on.
So here the green light is blinking.
Yes, but red is on. Start simulation. Don't need to stop simulate. Start simulation. See here, green light is blinking, but red is on. Outside, remove smoke. Remove smoke from. Yes, green is on. When yellow is on, show me. Okay, yellow on, but green is blinking.
Yeah.
I think. Please check the code for the green. Green is blinking every time or on. Please check the code for green only.
So here to I have right to low means making the green off.
Verde, Amarillo, and Vermel. Hot. Okay. Which one is green? Okay.
Sir, I'm also done with my simulation. Can I present it?
Shomodi, please fix your problem and now stop sharing. After fixing your problem, share your. Anyone else please share here which you have done?
স্যার আমার হয়ে গেছে দেখাবো?
হ্যাঁ দেখাও। তুমি RGB ইউজ করেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার। স্যার সিমুলেট করি।
করো। Bazaar, where is your bazaar?
স্যার বাজারটা অ্যাড করতে ভুলে গেছি।
বাজারটা অ্যাড করো আর বাকি মোটামুটি ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে স্যার, করে দিচ্ছি।
আমি করেছি।
দেখাও।
স্যার স্ক্রিন শেয়ার হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ।
সিমুলেট ব্যাপারটা
Okay. Okay, understand. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Anyone else? Anyone else, please share your screen after completing this problem. After completing the show this program, everyone have to do this, because when you have to complete your program, you need to know about the programs. Sorry, when you have to complete a project, then you need to know the programs and the connections. If you have any problem, any doubt in any line, please tell me.
So I have fixed the problem.
Show me. Remove gas. Remove gas. Gas to sensor. Buzzer is not on. Buzzer is not working.
Sir, buzzer it's work when it's much close to the sensor.
Show me when buzzer will be on. Okay, understand. Understand. Stop sharing. Those who have completed this gas sensor programming, please try to uh, implement one project, or not like project, try to implement a program to get two things at a time. That means when the sensor, gas sensor is working, and as temperature sensor is working, when the temperature sensor value is greater than a threshold value, and as soon as there are some gases, then only buzzer will be on. Otherwise, I think, please think about it. There are two sensors, temperature sensor and gas sensor. How will you use it? How will you implement it? Please do it. Everyone, please do it in your own choice. How to do in your own choice, and please explain me what do you want to do. This is your own choice. I will help you in your programming, in your coding, and in your um, ideas how to implement. Please start. Everyone, please start using both sensors, gas sensor and temperature sensor, both.
It's creating an fire alarm system.
you want, then you can দেখো, basically I want to know, or I am telling you to think something. You have two sensors, temperature sensor and gas sensor, and there are LEDs, buzzers, everything. You need to do a project. If you need to do a project, then what will be your idea? Please implement your idea in Tinker. This is my question. Then please do it and share your screen to show me one by one. And if you have any problem, then please tell me. I will explain again and again.
Hello, sir. Sir, what is the high value of smoke sensor?
Basically, at first you have to check for the different smoke level and the values. At first you have to check using the gas level. When you keep the gas inside the sensor, then note down the value. This will be the higher value. And when you keep outside the gas from the sensor, then note down another value. Using these statements and this process, you have to proceed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After completing the program, please share your screen. If you are not online from your laptop or desktop, please turn on your video camera and show me.
So I have done. Can I show?
Show Modip?
So can I show? I have completed.
Yes, of course. At first, explain.
Okay, sir. Sir, first, when gas flame is away from the smoke is away from the gas sensor, the value is coming less than, I have taken it less than 15. So at that time, the green light will be on, and at the same time, the temperature value, if it is less than 15, then it also the green light will on. If the flame, if the smoke is greater than 30, means I've taken the value 30. If this smoke is 30 greater than, then and the temperature is also greater than 15, then euro light is on. And when the smoke is close to the gas sensor, that is, I have taken the value greater than 50, and the temperature is more than 30. At that time, the buzzer and the red light will start operating.
Okay, I understand. In this system, if you want to use this system as a anywhere, then where you have to, or where you can use this system?
Sir, I have made it like a fire alarm system. So this can be used as a fire alarm system where in forest fire also you can use.
Okay, anyone else? Stop sharing, somebody. Very good. Anyone else? Anyone else want to share? Please share. Okay. Now I am sharing my screen. If you use another thing, that is, at first you will do this, and I am telling you another thing. This is the connection with the LCD. LCD connection. Basically, LCD is liquid crystal display. We are using LCD for which purpose? The purpose is to show something as a output. In LCD, there are these pins. G and D means the ground, and it will be connected using a potentiometer. Which is a potentiometer? Potentiometer is used to use for the uh, light, well, basically for backlight. VCC is power supply, and it is connected with the 5-volt power supply. V0 is the input, and the potentiometer is connected with the V0. There are 3 pins in potentiometer: wiper and terminal. Two terminals. One terminal will be connected with the power supply, another one will be connected with the ground. Using, basically, this is not a single connection. See, like this. Ground is connected, potentiometer ground is connected, and the ground of the LCD will be connected again, and the potentiometer wiper will be connected with the V0. RS will be connected with one digital pin, that is 13. Then RW, this is read and write pin. Read and write pin is connected with pin number 11, and there are 0 to 7. DB0 to DB7, 8 pins are there. DB0, DB1, DB2, DB3, DB4, DB5, DB6, DB7. This means the value 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means 8 positions are there. But we need only 4 position, and this 4 position means only the last 4 position. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the unit place, tens place, 100 place, and thousands place. DB4, DB5, DB6, DB7 will be connected with the digital pins, and here it is connected. Here it is connected with the pin number 5432. 5432. And then LED, there are 2 LEDs. First one is LED cathode, and second one is LED anode. LED anode will be connected as ground, sorry, VCC, and the LED cathode will be connected with ground. Okay, these are the full LCD connections and LCD diagram. And for coding, at first you have to implement one thing, that is liquid crystal.h. This is the header file for any LCD. Okay, and then liquid crystal LCD 12 11 5. This line is for first one is 12 for RS, 11 is for, this is the initialization, in which pin you have initialized the LCD. For this reason you have to write down this thing. 12 11 is for RS and RW, and enable pin at RW will be connected with ground, and enable pin should be connected with digital pin. Enable pin is connected with pin number 11. Here see, E is yellow one. This yellow part, yellow one, is connected with 11. Okay, and then setup LCD dot begin 16,2. That means there are 16 number of 16 pixels in a single line, and 16,2 means 16 into 2, 32 pixels are there in this liquid crystal. When you start simulate, you can see there are 32 pixels. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 pixels are there, starting from 0, 0, and then 0, 1. LC.set cursor. Set cursor is used for the cursor which is the position of the cursor. And then LCD.millis 1000. L 0, 1 means the second one, second line. From that cursor, see 13, 14, 16 is printing. That means the millis by 1000. That means the millisecond by 1000. That means how many seconds it is working. This is the program, and lcd.print if you cannot, but if you don't want to set any set cursor, then it will as default start from 0, 0. If you write it down like this, lcd dot set cursor, within a bracket 0, so 0, 0, 0 is the first one, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0. Then see, it will start from, see here, it will start from this cursor, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, the third one, third pixel. Understand everyone? I am sending the code in your chat box. I send it the code in your chat box. Okay? Understand everyone? Anyone have any doubt regarding this? Please take a screenshot if you want. Please take a screenshot if you want. And then those who completed the program with temperature sensor, with gas sensor, then please implement a program using this LCD. Just print the value of the gas sensor and temperature sensor in this LCD screen. Like if there is any gas, then print gas, high gas, or if there is no gas, then print no gas. If the temperature is high, print high. If the temperature is low, then print low. If the temperature is moderate, then print moderate. Everyone please do it. Everyone please do it. Nandita De, please mute yourself. Nandita De, if you have any doubt, then please tell me. Otherwise, mute yourself. Nandita. Nandita, am I audible? Nandita, am I audible? If you have any doubt, then please tell me. Otherwise, please mute yourself. Please do it, everyone. This is the last problem for today. Everyone, please do it. Do this. Please response in your attendance. Akash Roy,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Aditya Raut,
Present, sir.
Aditya Roy,
Present, sir.
Onisha Roy,
Yes, sir.
Arindam Roy,
Yes, sir.
Orpita Saha বিশ্বাস,
Yes, sir.
Otanu Ghosh,
Yes, sir.
Ayush Sinha,
Present, sir.
Dinesh Beshra,
Present, sir.
Dipankar Padiari,
Yes, sir.
Dipankar
Yes, sir.
Joshita Sengupta,
Yes, sir.
Karan Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Kunal Maiti,
Yes, sir.
Mallika Roy,
Present, sir.
Manoshijo Ganguly,
স্যার আমি ফার্স্ট হাফেও ছিলাম স্যার। প্রেজেন্ট দেওয়ার আগে আমার নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেমের জন্য বেরিয়ে যেতে হয়েছিল ফার্স্ট হাফে।
Mantiz Jinat,
Sir,
Mansiz
Mansi
Jinat,
Jina. Present. Sir, Mansi Jina.
Mansiz
Present.
Jinat. Yes, Mansiz Jinat. Rahul Beda,
Present, sir.
Rahul Rupayan
Yes.
Dirghangir,
Yes, sir.
Rupkotha Chatterjee, Rupkotha Chatterjee, সৈকত মণ্ডল,
Present, sir.
সৈকত মণ্ডল,
Present, sir.
শঙ্খদীপ দাস, শঙ্খদীপ দাস, সায়ক চৌধুরী, সায়ক
Yes, sir.
চৌধুরী, সৌমদীপ ঘোষ,
Present, sir.
শুভময় দাস,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সুব্রত মাইতি,
Present, sir.
সুজয় দত্ত, সুজয় দত্ত, সুরঞ্জন নন্দী,
Present, sir.
অনিন্দ
Present,
খুটিয়া,
sir.
অনিন্দ খুটিয়া,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার। প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
অনিশা চৌধুরী,
Yes, sir.
অর্ণব ভট্টাচার্য, অর্ণব ভট্টাচার্য, হিন্দোল ভৌমিক, হিন্দোল ভৌমিক, মৈনাক ঘোষ, মৈনাক ঘোষ, এমডি আফতাব মুনসুরি, এমডি আফতাব মুনসুরি,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
এমডি আমির মল্লিক, এমডি আমির মল্লিক,
Present, sir.
নন্দিতা দে,
Yes, sir.
নন্দিতা দে, প্রিয়াংশু গুপ্তা,
Present, sir.
রাহুল মজুমদার,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
শুভদীপ হোড়,
Present, sir.
শুভদীপ হোড়, সুমেধা ভট্টাচার্য,
Present, sir.
তুনীর চক্রবর্তী,
Present, sir.
শুভদীপ মুখার্জি, শুভদীপ মুখার্জি,
Present, sir.
এমডি নিষাদ, এমডি নিষাদ মল্লিক, এমডি নিষাদ মল্লিক, মুস্কান চৌরাসিয়া,
স্যার
Present, sir.
Shubhodip Mukherjee, present, sir.
স্যার।
সরি,
এমডি নিশাদ মলিক প্রেজেন্ট
Shubhodip
স্যার।
Mukherjee,
সতীশ পণ্ডিত,
Present, sir.
শুভজিৎ দে,
Yes, sir.
অনির্বাণ সরকার,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার। প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
শুভম চ্যাটার্জি,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার। প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
সম্পদ দত্ত,
Present, sir.
কৌশিক সাহা,
ইয়েস স্যার।
সৃজীব পাল,
Yes, sir.
সুনির্মল কুমার,
ইয়েস স্যার।
আহ, আমন সাউ, আমান সাউ, আশিস কুমার চৌধুরী, আশিস কুমার চৌধুরী, প্রান্তিক সাহা, প্রান্তিক সাহা, সুমিত প্রসাদ গুপ্তা, সুমিত প্রসাদ গুপ্তা, সায়নী সরকার, সায়নী সরকার, অর্ণব সাহা, অর্ণব সাহা, দীপ্রজ্যোতি মজুমদার, দীপ্রজ্যোতি মজুমদার, প্রীতম মাইতি, প্রীতম মাইতি, শ্রেয়সা রয়, শ্রেয়সা রয়, অর্ক মৈত্র,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
অর্ক মৈত্র,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
দৈপায়ন ধর, দৈপায়ন ধর, গৌরব সাহা,
Present, sir.
গৌরব সাহা,
Present, sir.
হিরানাংশু ঘোষ।
Present, sir.
হিরানাংশু ঘোষ।
Present, sir.
সপ্তর্ষি জানা।
Present, sir.
শুভায়ু কর।
Present, sir.
সৌভিক দত্ত। সৌভিক দত্ত। সৃজন সাহা।
Present, sir.
সুমিত দাস।
Yes, sir. Present.
সুমিত। শুভ্রদীপ ভৌমিক।
Present, sir.
স্বাতি শর্মা।
Yes, sir.
তানিয়া দেবনাথ। তানিয়া দেবনাথ। রাজশেখর মজুমদার।
Present, sir.
হু।
Yeah, Devnath, present.
জিতেন্দ্র
স্যার
শাহ।
সুজয় দত্ত প্রেজেন্ট আছে স্যার।
জিতেন্দ্র শাহ।
জিতেন্দ্র স্যার প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
কে বললে সুজয় দত্ত নাকি?
সুজয় দত্ত
সুজয়
প্রেজেন্ট
দত্ত।
আছে, চ্যাটে লিখেছে।
সুজয় দত্তর নাম কত?
একটু নিচে স্যার।
কোন কলেজ?
জিএনআইটি।
জিএনআইটি সুজয় দত্ত। Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? If anyone have no doubt, then you will leave now. If you have any doubt, then please tell me. If you have any doubt, then please tell me. Otherwise, you may leave now.